Hi, my name is Miguel from AvoidErrors.net. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to dual boot Windows 7 and Ubuntu 12.04. So let's begin. To start, we need to create a partition if you don't have one already. Just right-click Computer, then click on Manage, and here click on Disk Management. I have a 60 gig hard drive. I'm going to partition this drive. If you have a partition already, then you can skip this. Right click on the blue line here and then click on Shrink Volume. Now here it tells me the available shrink space is 28,576 megs, which is 28 gigs and a half more or less. I'm not going to use 28 gigs. I'm going to use 25, so I'm going to delete that and select 25,000 megs. Perfect. And now click on Shrink. Perfect. I have 24.4 gigs. Now I need to format this, so I'm going to right click and then click on New Simple Volume. Click next to the wizard here, and I'm going to leave this as is and then click on Next. Here you can select a different drive letter, but I'm going to use the default drive letter and then click on Next. In the volume label, you can leave it as is or you can change it. I'm going to rename mine to Ubuntu and then click on Next. Finish the wizard. Perfect. My drive is healthy. Now we're ready to install Ubuntu on the second partition. Now close the computer management window. I'm going to close this too. Now you need to download Ubuntu Windows installer. The link is in the description box below. Here it is. It'll take you here. So click on Download Windows Installer and then save the file. I already downloaded mine, so I'm gonna cancel out of here, close here, and then run my Windows installer. Here it is. Now if you're using Windows 7 or Vista, make sure you right click and then run as administrator. Click yes to the warning here. Now here in the installation drive, now you can select the partition we created. Instead of using drive C, I'm going to select drive E, which is 24 gigs. Then the installation size, I'm gonna make this around 7 gigs. You can make it smaller. The smaller you make the installation size, the less program it'll install. Now in the desktop environment, you can select different Ubuntu. I'm gonna leave it default and just install Ubuntu. In the language drop down, you can select a different language if you like. I'm gonna leave it default. And now here type your username and password. No caps on the username. Before you click on install, make sure you have everything in place: the installation drive, the installation size, the desktop environment, and the language. Once you have all that, then feel free to click on install. This might take a little while, so I'm going to fast forward this, but I'm going to leave it there so you can see the installation process. Perfect. Reboot. Click finish. Now in this 12.04, I didn't see much installation process. This was really quick. The same thing I saw, you saw. So it's not like I edited anything. Type in the password you set up when you install the Ubuntu, and that's it. You have your Ubuntu desktop running. And this is really great. It works like a software. Because my time is limited, I have to show you also how to remove it, just in case you get tired of it, right? So I'm going to go ahead and shut down. And then click on restart. Perfect. Now, if you're planning on keeping Ubuntu, you will always get this window here. If you want to boot from Windows 7 or Ubuntu, you can choose your what you want to boot from. In this case, I'm going to choose Windows 7 because we're going to delete Ubuntu from Windows 7. To delete Ubuntu from Windows 7 is similar to deleting a program. Just click on Start and then click on Control Panel. Then go to Uninstall a Program, and here select Ubuntu and click Uninstall or Change. Click Uninstall. Perfect. Now click on Finish, and Ubuntu is gone. Now to reclaim your partition, just right click Computer, click on Manage, then go to Disk Management, and here right click the partition we created for Ubuntu, and then click on Delete Volume. Click Yes to the warning, and right click your C drive, and then click on Extend Volume. Click Next. Make sure that the partition is selected, and then click Next, and then click Finish. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Miguel. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comment section below. Thank you.